Welcome to Health Insurance Made Simple. In this video, we're going to go over pre-existing conditions. You're going to learn about what is a pre-existing condition. Will a pre-existing condition be covered by your health insurance? Can you even obtain health insurance if you have a pre-existing condition? And if not, what are your options? As always, you can call the 800 number you see across the bottom of each screen. We'll answer any question you might have and give you an immediate quote. Let's start with a basic definition. A pre-existing condition is any medical issue you received treatment for, received advice about, we mean by a doctor of course, took a prescription for, but prior to obtaining your health insurance. It even goes on to say that it's a condition that a reasonable person would have obtained care for, even if they have not done so already. Let me explain that. If you break your leg and you don't go to the doctor, instead you apply for health insurance, once the insurance goes into effect, that broken leg is still not covered. It's still a pre-existing condition. A reasonable person wouldn't walk around with a broken leg. They would have sought medical care. So that's still a pre-existing condition. If you're pregnant, but it wasn't officially told to you by the doctor, it doesn't matter. You're still pregnant. It is still a pre-existing condition. But you might have a pre-existing condition that you don't even know about. Is that going to be covered? If you get health insurance and a week later you have a heart attack, it will still be covered. That is, as long as you did not seek care for a heart condition prior to obtaining the health insurance. Even if your blood pressure was high or your cholesterol was high, as long as you were accepted by the insurance company and they didn't ask you for a physical and you told the truth on the application, that's really important. You filled the whole application out for insurance truthfully, you're going to be covered if they accepted you and if they didn't exclude your condition. Can you get health insurance if you have a pre-existing condition? Well, the short answer to that is sure you can, but it depends on the condition. If you have high blood pressure or you have high cholesterol and these conditions are controlled by medication and your readings are normal, you don't smoke and you're not overweight, in most instances you'll still get health insurance. They might increase the premium a little bit, but these conditions will still be covered. Are there conditions that will not permit me to get health insurance? Certainly there are. You can get, you might have cancer or you had a prior cancer condition, prior heart problems. Any other serious condition might make you ineligible for health insurance. Guaranteed issue health insurance is not available yet, but it will be as of January 1st, 2014. So yes, it is possible to get declined for health insurance if you are a cancer patient, heart patient, or a host of many other conditions that could make you ineligible. Now, if somebody told you that you can get health insurance and you can't be declined if you had prior coverage, that's not exactly true. If you go from one group, one employer-sponsored plan to another, you won't be declined. But private health insurance that is medically underwritten, you will most certainly be refused if you have a serious condition. Now, if you work for a company and you lose your health insurance because the company has laid you off or you leave the company for any other reason, you might be able to continue your health insurance through a COBRA plan. You need to ask your company about that. If you can't qualify for health insurance, you have some options. Number one, there are limited benefit plans. We offer them. This is not full health insurance, but it's better than nothing. Sometimes one company will decline you and another will accept you. Some are very strict and some not as much. So you need to call us and we can determine if you can get health insurance or not. There are certain government programs that are already in effect that might help you if you cannot get health insurance. But you should call us. We can at least give you a realistic appraisal of your options. We'll tell you whether we think you can get health insurance or not. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to watch all the videos in the Florida Health Insurance Made Simple series. And don't forget to give us a call. Our 800 number is at the bottom of the screen. It's 800-272-0512. Thanks a lot.